Clearbrow, North Dallas, 23 Tesla Model X, full wrap Expel Ultimate Plus. Before this car is done, full decon and polish. That way we can reduce a lot of the dust nibs in the paint so we can have a clear surface like that. The Tesla paint is a little extra problematic over most manufacturers. It does come with a lot of debris on top of the clear coat. That's at no charge to the client, but when it gets here, every Tesla gets a full decon. That's obviously a wash, and then we use some products, clay bars and things like that to get the dust nibs out, to get the iron off of them from the debris in the air from transit. And then only then, after we're done with that, a polish, and then we wrap the car to get that nice glossy look. Keep in mind there are still some what are called dust nibs in the base coat that we can't get out, but they're very few. Some cars have excessive amounts. You'll read about them on the forums from clients, but Tesla's even said it in an article themselves that they're working on that problem. So let's take a look at the car real quick. Here's all our corners and edges wrapped in just like we always do. You don't even know the car's done. All that's wrapped in behind. That protects the edge and keeps the car from any problems. The PPF covers 100%. All our doors fully wrapped in. There's the second one we did. It's a brother's car. Here's a hatch, fully wrapped. The spoiler, fully wrapped. Everything gets fully wrapped in these light areas, fully wrapped. We don't leave any lines on top. If we can't get in behind a panel, then they'll be tight. But here's your fuel port for the electric. Coming in these quarter windows, everything's wrapped in perfectly. So all these moldings fully wrapped under. Again, over here, the door handles, no lines around them, fully wrapped. So there it is. Everything's nicely wrapped in, so it doesn't look like the car's got anything on it. That's the best look you want. You bought it for that look. We're gonna maintain that for you and give you a 10-year guarantee with this, lifetime protection on the installation. And that's a Tesla X23 model. I'll go over that red one here in a separate video in just a little bit. Thanks for watching. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. 214-414-3809 is our main number. And if you need to sell, it's 940-703-8301 if you're looking for that look. It doesn't cost any more. That's just my standard way of installing for the last 30 plus years. And that's how we do it. Thanks for watching.